If you're looking for a hardy native shrub, consider the arrowwood viburnum. The arrowwood viburnum grows in zones 3 through 8 with a mature height of 6 to 12 feet. It has really nice blue berries in the fall. The berries are sweet, the birds like them, they're non-toxic, but along with that it has a nice white lacy flower cluster in the spring, and the fall foliage, the plant turns a red color. It likes full sun to partial shade. It can take moist, well-drained soils, but it can tolerate wet soils and some dry soils as well. It prefers a slightly acidic soil. This bush, as strange as this may sound, can also thrive underneath and near walnut trees. So this bush has a lot of utility in the landscape, and it is somewhat deer resistant. It can tolerate dry sites, salty sites, wet sites, windy sites. It's used as a border, a hedge, for naturalizing, screen, or a specimen planting. What more could you want in a shrub? If you'd like to see some of these shrubs, you can call us or come to see us at Highland Hill Farm. We can send you more pictures. We can show you our plants in the field, as well as you can come and pick them up at our yard in Fountainville, PA. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for arrowwood viburnums. Thank you.